In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sitekit for WordPress. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com and make sure to create an account by clicking on the Get Started option right here or right here. Now, if you already have an account, just proceed to click onto this login option. On my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and log in. Now, here is my WordPress site. So do take note that you need to have a business plan in order to install a plugin. So make sure to subscribe to that. And from in there, scroll down to the very bottom until you can see plugins and click onto this Add Plugin. Once you're there, you just need to actually choose or search in here for the Sitekit. Search in here for Sitekit. And then locating here the Google Sitekit right here. Sitekit by Google. Make sure to click on that. And after this, click on the install and activate right here. And then as you can see, this will install the plugin for us. Now into this part, as you can see, the actual plugin has now been added. So what we can do next is we just need to head over and then locate it. So on some cases, it's actually not added or activated already. So you can head over and activate it yourself. Once it's been activated, it should be able to appear right here into our actual dashboard. Here is our Sitekit, so make sure to click on that. And after this, you should be able to be prompted to connect into your Google account. Click on this Connect Google Analytics. Click on this Sign in with Google. And then after that, you will be prompted to the next site wherein you just need to sign in with your Google account. Just choose in here your Google account that you wish to use for your Google Sitekit. And then after that, you will be connected right here. So head over and click on Continue. And then click on the Select All option and click on Continue as well. Once you have done that, this will actually be connected to your WordPress. This will check the compatibility, and once it's done, you should actually connect or use it yourself to set up your Sitekit if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.